What's up, Skillshare? My name is John Brahman, and welcome to my new class, Catch 'em All, Show Your Team Colors. I don't even know if that's what I'm going to call the class, but good enough, who cares, it doesn't matter. In this class, we're going to go over the newest crazy craze, the craziest craze of all. Everywhere I go, there are literally tens to hundreds of people playing Pokemon all around, all different cities, all around the world. It's crazy. I'm 29 years old. I haven't played Pokemon since I was 9 years old. So it's been 20 years since I've even thought about a Pokemon, and I find myself walking around like a crazy person at midnight trying to catch, I don't know, a Squirtle or some nonsense thing. And so normally right here in this exact park, there'd be tons of people ganged up trying to battle the gym and take it over, but the servers can't even handle the amount of crazy people playing this game right now. So the reason why I'm outside filming this class is because you have to be outside to play Pokemon. It's the rule. They want you to lose weight. It's genius and crazy. Why am I doing it? I don't know. But anyways, join me. If you're a sucker like me, or you just want to have fun catching Pokemon, we're going to make a cool emblem based on your team color, whether you're red, yellow, or blue. I'm team red. I don't know why. My favorite color is blue. I just picked it. It's been 20 years. I didn't even know what I was doing. Now I'm stuck. Team red. Anyway, we're going to take our favorite Pokemon, use our team color, add our username, do whatever we want in whatever style. We're going to put that on social media. We're going to let that flag fly, tell people what team we're on, and we're just going to have fun. So it's an easy class. It's going to be tons of fun. Short, easy, simple. Whether you don't like Pokemon, I don't blame you. But come on, it's just fun. People of all ages are doing it. Adults, kids, whatever, you name it. It's not even out in this country and I'm still playing it. All right, so enroll and we'll see you in a minute.